Hey guys, Vladimir here with another video. Today I have a really interesting board to show you. It's a prototyping board I use for my development, and I won't go into much details yet because it's still under NDA, but I will show you at least something. So this is a board made by Espressif Systems, and I think it's the ESP32 Ethernet Kit. It's already written up here, and it's a really nice small board. This part here is the PoE, so you can charge it with your Ethernet cable in here, and or you can charge it using the USB port, and there is a switch actually which you can turn on or off. This one here is the microprocessor, and I believe there are some buttons. I have no idea what they do. So if you didn't see a board like this, it's affordable and it can help you learn stuff. What I like about Espressif is that it supports a couple of frameworks. So right now I'm using Arduino framework, so you can simulate something like those simple blinks, which is we will just turn the LED on or off after 1 second. But you can make much more complex stuff. And what is really interesting is that this CPU is much cheaper than the Arduino CPUs used in Arduino Mega or maybe Mini, because Arduino is I don't know how to say it. It's a standard equipment. Everybody expects something like this, and then you have a compatible chips which can run also Arduino. So this one is cheaper and much more powerful. Much more powerful chip. And what's cool about this, it supports not just Arduino framework, but it can run, they have also their own framework. I don't know the name, but you can program in barebone C. Also, I think this CPU supports also some real-time operating systems, maybe even MicroPython. So there are a couple of ways how to make programs running on this hardware, and I'm thinking to try them out one at a time to find out what suits my needs best. I was thinking to really try some real-time operating system. There is Zephyr OS project, and I have no idea how they proceeded because I don't have that much time to track every single project I like. But we'll see. Anyway, really nice board. If you're into embedded stuff and programming, this is something to help you learn. On the other hand, if you are really a newbie who never worked with something like this, Arduino is much better described, much better for beginners, and you can make the code really easily. For boards like this, you need to install additional software, additional tools, just to add support for this board into your development environment. By the way, I'm using Platform.io, but this works also with Arduino IDE. I have this tested. So there are really not that much limits. I remember when this hardware came out, I mean the CPU, it was much more complex to make it running. By the way, what's cool about this board, the CPU supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth out of the box, so it's all integrated up in here, and it also supports Ethernet, as you can see. So basically what I can do right now and what I'm working on is, without going into details on what project I'm using it for, I will code a software running here, and I also will integrate this with Android application I will write, probably in Flutter, which is really cool because Flutter nowadays can run on Android, iOS, and also on web. And you can easily make desktop applications as well. So you can learn stuff just by using this board and your mobile phone. So really cool stuff you can do with this, and if you are interested in stuff like this, I have a special channel dedicated to those gadgets or those things. It's called JSC Electronics. So feel free to check it out. I will leave a link down in the description of this video. And if you like this video, you know what to do, or if you have some interesting topics you would like me to process, just leave me know in the comments below this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.